Hey guys, what up, what up? It is December 12th, 2023. I'm back to you guys with some more content here. And welcome. Welcome to Success with Buddy. If this is your first time dropping in here, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, because when you do that, you'll be the first to find out when I come out with new content. So, like I said, my name is Buddy. I have been making money from home for over a dozen years now. And I'm involved. I have my hands in a number of different affiliate programs, a number of different money making opportunities. So with that being said, it's been a while since I've came out with some content, and there's some reason behind that. I have been focusing on self a lot lately. I am no longer a single man anymore. I have a loving girlfriend. I'm very beautiful. I just love this girl so much. She's awesome, and I've been kind of focusing on that. I needed to recenter myself, take a step back a little bit. I knew this would always be there when it came time to come back, and now is the time to come back. So with that being said, guys, I want to share with you guys a way that you can actually eliminate your cable bill altogether, and at that you're going to have over 15,000 stations. You can see up above my head over that way, that's all the stations that are in Accuview right now. And you don't need any special type of equipment. You don't need to have any credit checks. You don't have to do any special admin fees. You're only going to pay 40 bucks per month to have access to 15,000 stations. And you can, right now, I am recording this video from my smartphone. So you can watch this with just internet access. You're going to have access to all of your favorite stations, and also you're going to have access to pay-per-view channels. There's Fox Network. Oops, I'm going to go back there. That's my girlfriend. Surprise! I wasn't trying to do that. I was trying to swoop up all of your favorite stations, all of your favorite sporting teams. You're gonna have access to the NBA package, the NFL package, hockey, baseball, everything that you could think of. You're gonna find on Accuview TV. And the cool thing about this, guys, is you can invite anybody that likes watching TV. It's not hard to find somebody that has that common interest, in place. Do you like to watch TV? And there's a few people that don't. Some people like to read books. Some people don't have TVs, but very little. So you're gonna have access to all of these stations, all your favorite stations, all of your favorite sports teams for 40 bucks a month, and you can get paid to watch TV also by sharing this with all your loved ones, your friends, your family members. And when you do that, when you become an affiliate for this program and share this program or this Accuview with people, you're going to get 10 bucks a month residual income. That's every single month they pay to watch cable. You're going to get 10 bucks a month for each person that subscribes to Accuview. So I have a handful of people that are already involved with Accuview that are, subscribed with it. My aim is to get just 50 people. That's going to cover it's not only going to eliminate my cable bill, that is going to cover my truck payment. I get a brand new truck. I pay 500 bucks a month. So my goal is to get 50 people on there. That's going to cover my truck payment, my car note, as some people say. So Accuview TV, you're going to have access to all your sports channels. If you guys like watching boxing, they have all the special boxing events. If you like watching MMA, they also have those. If you like watching wrestling, they have all the wrestling pay-per-views on there, sports entertainment, whatever you want to call it. They have those on there. So you're going to be able to cut your bill down to 40 bucks a month, and eventually you can eliminate it, because with just 4 people, you have no more bill. It's covering itself. So 4 people, 4 family and friend members, family, and friends, then subscribe to Accuview. You can click the link in the description, and my page walks you through on how to get set up. It also gives you some other information. You guys want to find out if this is legit or not. I know some people were questioning because this is IPTV, internet TV. They're wondering if this is legit or not. And on that sales page, you're going to see that President Barack Obama, he passed some bills a number of years back that allowed people to do this. So a lot of these companies, I can't say any names of any of the other companies or businesses because I don't want to get this shut down. I don't want to be stopped as an affiliate. But these other companies, they are overcharging you. They're overcharging you for the admin fees. They're overcharging you for the credit. You get the credit checks done. That's not the companies, but some places do credit checks just to charge you. And they also, overcharge you for equipment. You do not need any equipment for Accuview. I'm watching this off my smart TV. It's just a few simple short steps. You can download it on your smartphone and have access to it wherever you have internet access. If you're going to watch it off a smart TV, they do have instructions to use a Fire Stick to get it connected. And, that's it. No special equipment, no boxes. You just need the internet, and that's it. So, guys, you can get paid to watch TV. I mean, that's a no-brainer. And if you're like me, you want to find something that's going to cover your car note, and you just need a few people. Some people, some people's car payments are only a couple $100. That's just 20 people. You want to get the 4 people to cover your Accuview subscription every month. So 24 people all together. And then the cool thing about this pays a couple tiers deep. For the first tier, it pays $2. The second tier, it pays $1. And then the third tier pays, is it $3? I'll have to put the compensation plan below. I forget how the compensation plan was. It's 3, 2, 1. Or 1, 2, 3 is one of the others. I'm sorry, guys. It's late. It's early in the morning, and it's 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock in the morning. I decided just to get up and do this video because I just thought about doing it. I haven't done a video in a while. So, guys, gals, friends, you guys watch TV? You want to get paid to watch TV? Check that link out in the description and let me know what your thoughts are. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't watched Success with Buddy, my station, be sure to push that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell because when I come out with new content, it'll notify you when I come out with new content. I have a variety of different money-making opportunities. Ways to make money by mailing out postcards. I have a subscription that helps you save money on everyday things that people use. And I have a few different direct mail opportunities and a gold and silver opportunity that you can get access to getting some discounts on gold and silver precious metals. So I've been doing this for a dozen years, guys, making money quietly from the comfort of my cell phone. So you guys know what to do. Fill that form in. It's going to ask you your name, your email possibly, and then it's going to bring you to my sales page. You can watch the little presentation, and then you're going to watch how to sign up. Watch that video, watch everything thoroughly, make sure that you study this. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and definitely send me a message or call me or message me. Say, buddy, I joined your team. That way I can get you set up. We also have a community, Facebook group that other team members. So you're going to have access to flyers, and there's unlimited ways to get the word out there. But watching TV, that's kind of a no-brainer. It's something that everybody has in common. So you're not going to have a hard time finding somebody to say, hey, do you watch TV? Or do you want to cut your cable bill? Cable bill topics always come up at work with me all the time. So anybody wants to drop their cable bill on $40 a month, show them Accuview. Alright, guys. You guys know what to do. I love you guys. Sorry I took so long for coming out with some new content. But You guys know why now. God bless. I love you. Peace.